Okay. Ovo je engleski za početnike. Vidimo. Common adjectives. Običajni pridevi. The opposite of big. The opposite of big is so big. It is so big. It's so small. Oh, like a mouse. My car is new. My car is not new. It's old. And it's fast. No, it's not fast. It's so slow. So slow. The opposite of ugly. This is an ugly picture. No, it's not ugly. It's beautiful. So beauty, we say beauty, lepota, with Y. But beautiful with no Y. There is no Y in beautiful. Cheap. Oh, this computer is so cheap. No, it's not cheap. It's expensive. Expensive. It costs 4,000 euros. The opposite of long. It's a long story. No, it's a short story. The opposite of tall is also short. Tall, short. Long, short, tall, short. Easy. So easy. No, it's hard. Say hard. But we can also say difficult. Difficulty, something else, but difficult. The opposite of bad is good. He's a good person. Not bad. Good person. Let's have a look. Yeah. That's it.